welcome from the disbursement team. I'm glad you received our welcome email with this attached video as a guide for the draw process. Your assigned disbursement specialist contact information is also provided in this email. If permits are required, the contractor or the borrower is to send copies to the disbursement specialist after the loan funds. Please reach out to your assigned disbursement specialist when you're ready for a draw. Your disbursement specialist is here to help. Keep in mind, all inspections and title updates are ordered through our third-party vendor, Trinity Inspection. An additional draw is allowed at a charge of $110 per progress. Please note an inspection will be ordered. Here are a few things to note when it comes to the completion of a renovation. Thank you for choosing Prime Lending. We look forward to working with you.